Power wash your home before listing.
Selling a home can be a whirlwind of decisions, especially for first-time sellers. Here are compelling reasons why power washing your house is an essential step before introducing it to the real estate market.
Preserve your home's value.
Power washing not only rejuvenates the appearance but also maintains its market value.
Boost your selling price.
Buyers are willing to invest more in homes that don't demand immediate repairs.
Facilitate easier renovations.
If renovations are part of your pre-selling strategy, a clean slate is essential. Ward off permanent damage. Elements like mold, mildew, moss, and grime can be more than unsightly. They can cause long-term damage. Enhance curb appeal. Unsightly mold or wear can deter potential buyers, decreasing your home's curb appeal. A beautiful home is not only a joy to behold but also more likely to catch the eye of a discerning buyer. Elevate your home's curb appeal with K&M Pressure Washing. Reach out now and witness the transformation. Call 843-399-0674 today.